Well, we're ready for our mid-chapter checkpoint. Mid-chapter checkpoint. Revisión de la mitad del capítulo. And we are on page, where are we? 196. 196. 196, we're doing our mid-chapter. So we're in the middle of the chapter, and we're going to check over some things. Make sure we know what we're doing. Okay? Everybody with me? Boy, this starts off pretty easy. Write the sum. Write the sum means you have to add them. So you got add, add. 3-digit add. Try those. Go ahead, do this all by yourself. You can pause your video. Pause the video and do those by yourself. Escribe la suma. Go ahead, do them by yourself. Up to number 8, and then stop. Don't do these down here. Estos no, just these on top, all the way up to number 8. Okay, are you done? You should have paused it. Let's check them over. Here we go. 3 plus 6. 6 and 3 is what? 9. 6 and 3. 9. How about 8 plus 0? Well, that's 8. Everyone knows that. 7 and 7, that's a double. You should know your doubles by now. 7 and 7 is 14. 9 and 4. Well, 10 and 4 is 14. 9 and 4 is one smaller than 14. 13 es uno menos de 14, porque 10 más 4 son 14. 9 es uno menos 13. Okay? You can also do that counting on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How about 5 and 6? Isn't that a doubles plus 1? 5 and 5 is 10. 5 and 6 is 11. 6 y 5 más 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You can do it at counting on, but you should know your doubles plus 1. 8 and 2. 8 and 2, 10. That's a tenner. This one you should know because it adds up to 10. You should learn your tens. That's a tenner. It adds up to 10. Okay, I'm going to do these two together because this is also a tenner. 7 and 3 is 10. 10 and 2, 12. Okay, here's a tenner. 6 and 4. I know 6 and 4 is 10, so I'm going to do 6 and 4 is 10 and 4, 14. 6 más 4 son 10. 10 más 4 son 14. You could also do doubles. 4 and 4 is 8. But then you have to do 8 and 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay? Show how you can make a 10 to find the sum. Okay, 9. What do we need to make a 10? We need one more. So if you take 1 from the 7, there's going to be 6 left. So 10 and 9 and 7 is the same as 10 and 6. Because we add 1 to the 9, we take 1 away. And what's 10 and 6? 16. That's making a 10. Can you make a 10 here? Well, we want to make the 8 into a 10. How many do we need? 2 more. So take the 2 from the 6. 4 is left. 6 and 10 is the same as 6 and 8 is the same as 4 plus 10. 8 más 6 es igual a 10 más 4 porque 10 es 2 más. Por eso 2 menos 4. Y 10 más 4, 10 plus 4, 14. Right? 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 plus 4 is 14. We just made a 10 to do it. Once you got a 10, it's easy. But you know what? It's not so easy making a 10. You have to add 2 to the 8 and subtract 2 from the 6. And you have to know that you add 2. That's not easy to know for some kids. Anyway, that's one way to add big numbers, is to add to 10 first. Write the sum and the difference for the related facts. Escribe la suma y la diferencia de las operaciones relacionadas. Okay, let's do the adding. 5 and 4. A 5 and a 4 is 9. That's easy. Now, if 5 and 4 is 9, what's 9 Take away the 4. 5. That part's easy. You don't need your fingers or anything. 9 and 3. Okay, 9 and 3. 10, 11, 12. 9 and 3 is 12. Now, si 3 más 9 son 12, ¿cuántos son 12 quita 9? Estos son 12 quita 9, queda el 3, su compañero, los compañeros, los hijos y la mamá. Right? These are related facts. That makes it easier. 8 plus 7. Well, 7 and 7's 14. Doubles, right? So 8 and 7 must be 15. Now, 15, take away the 8. What's left? 7. 15, estos son 15, se quita el 8, 7 queda. Right? And now we got a word problem. Lily has 6 toy cars. Lily tiene 6 carritos de juguete. Young has 5 toy cars. Y Young tiene 5 carritos de juguete. How many toy cars do they have? ¿Cuántos carritos de juguete tiene en total? What do you have to do? We have to add them together. How many together we have to add? Tenemos que sumar porque dice cuántos juntos. Tenemos que sumar, ¿sí? 6 más 5. Well, 6, I can write it. 6 plus 5, right? You didn't even have to write it because some of you already know 6 and 5 is what? Well, 5 and 5 is 10, so 6 and 5 is 11. How many of you knew that? Did you know that already? That was pretty easy, right? Okay, let's do one more page then. That was only 6 minutes, so we can do another page. Practice subtracting. This is subtracting practice, okay? You know how to do your subtracting? Well, you don't know. Some of you still have trouble. You have to, I like to teach counting backwards, okay? See if you can count backwards to do all these, the big ones. If it's smaller, I got 10 fingers. I don't have to count backwards. I got 10. Easy, easy. But most of these are big numbers. You have to be able to count backwards. It's funny, they did not practice how to do subtracting of big numbers. I don't know how they expect you to do it. We barely even started learning about it. Okay, I guess we did some yesterday, but it takes a while to learn how to count backwards and subtract. Go ahead, do this page by yourself. 1 up through 15. Okay, and then we're going to check it over. So pause your video. This will take a while. Put your video on pause and try doing them all by yourself. Go ahead, do it now. Pause. Okay, did you do it? Let's check our answers. 15, take away 9. You know what? I'm gonna move back a little so we can see better. So we can count, see my fingers better, because I'm gonna be using fingers on a lot of these. Let's see if I can move it back. I'm going forward the wrong way. No, not forward, backwards, you dummy. Oh, I might have to stop it here. I'm going to have to stop for a second. Hold on. And make it go backwards. Okay, this is better now. We're a little closer here. Write the difference. Let's check them over. 15, take away 9. So I put the 15 in my head, and I show the 9 fingers. 15. And I'm going to count backwards. Voy a contar así adelante. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now, if you're not good at counting backwards, I suggest you put a number line and count backwards on your number line. 18, 17, 16. Well, if you don't know how to count backwards, start with like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Unless you have a number line near you, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You don't need bigger than 18 because 9 and 9 is 18. 15, take away 9. Look at your 15 and just look at your numbers. Don't point. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. You can look up there. 15, quita 9. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 10 take away 2. This one I've got enough fingers. 10 take away 2. 8. They're all big numbers, though. They use big numbers, except here's a smaller one. 8. Not too many small ones. 13 take away 5. 13. Quita 5. 13. Mirando arriba, si no sabe cómo contar al revés, puede mirar aquí. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 14, take away 7. 14. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 10 take away 8. That one I can do. 10 take away an 8 is a 5 and a 3. 2 left. 12 take away 7. 12 take away 7. Now, if you know in your head that 7 and 5 is 12, then you know 12 take away 7 is what? 5. But if you don't know that, you got to do this. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 10 take away 3. 10 take away 3 is 7. Or if you know that 7 and 3 is 10, then 10 take away 3 is 7. 16 take away 7. I don't know that, so I'm going to do this one. 16 take away 7. 16 quita 7. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay. 8 take away 4. 8 take away 4 is 4. I knew that one because doubles 4 and 4 is 8, right? So 8 take away 4 must be 4. 11 take away 5. Do you know this? 5 and 6 is 11. So what's 11 take away 5? 6. 13 take away 6. This is the doubles plus 1. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh yeah, I remember. 7 and 6 is 13. 12 take away 9. Do you know this? 9 and 3 is 12. If you know this, then 12 take away 9 is going to be 3. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. En español, 12 quita 9, 12. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 16 take away 9. Watch how we can do this one. We can do 16 take away 10. 16 take away 10 is 6. But we only know what take away 9. No más queremos quitar 9, no 10. Por eso tenemos que poner uno. We have to put one back. So 16 take away 10 is 6. But put one back, 7. Una más, 7. Let's see if that's right. 16 take away 9. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Yep. How about 11 take away 9? Well, 11 take away 10 would be 1. But you got to put one back because we're only taking away 9. If you put one back, you don't have 1, you have 2. Let's see if that's right. 11 take away 9. See, it's a lot to count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yep. Just take away 10. 11 take away 10 is 1 because you take away the 10 and then you put 1 back. 12 take away 8. Here you can take away 10 and put 2 back because 8 is 2 away from 10. If I took away 10, I'd have 2. Put 2 back. 2 and 2 is 4. Let's see if that's right. 12 take away 8. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 12. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Did you get all those? Some of you have to work on your subtracting. You weren't here much in first grade, so you really didn't get to practice subtracting that much. Adding's a little easier than subtracting, okay? Okay, let's just finish up here. Solve, write, or draw to explain. Resuelve, escriba o dibujo para explicar. Mr. Lee has 16 pencils. El maestro Lee tiene 16 lápices. He gives 9 pencils to some students. Les da 9 lápices a algunos estudiantes. How many pencils does Mr. Lee have now? ¿Cuántos lápices tiene el maestro ahora? How many did he begin with? 16. Write a 16 there. That'll help you out. And what did he do? He gave away 9. He gave away, take away 9. How many pencils does he have now? 16 take away 9. We can do take away 9 and count backwards, or we can think 16 take away 9. Suppose you take away 10. If you take away the 10, what's left? 6, right? But we only want to take away 9, so you got to put 1 back. 6, put 1 back, 7. 16 take away 10 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Let's see if that works. 16 take away 9, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 7 pencils. Almost done. Write or draw to explain 2 different ways to find the difference for 12 take away 3. Well, you can count backwards. 12, 11, 10, 9. Right? We could just go 12 take away 3 equals 9. Right? Count backwards. 11, 10, 9. Another way you could think, what do I know? Do you know 9 plus 3 equals 12? Do you know this one? If you know this fact, 9 plus 3 is 12. Si sabe que 9 más 3 son 12. 12 quita 3, no más. 12 quita 3, no más tiene que quitar a 3. ¿Quién queda? 9. If you know your related adding fact, then you don't have to use your fingers. You can just say 12 take away 3 is 9 because 9 plus 3 is 12. Those are 2 different ways to do that one. Okay? So that's it. We're going to continue in class with a little test. We'll do that tomorrow in class. Okay? That's it for today, guys. Hope you are listening and understanding all this. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.